out again. It's a redskin.
Hello fam, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer, if they're new. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we got a very special video. We're gonna be talking about the details that I got on the car. There's a lot of more things, a lot of more details too for it. But so far what I got, and show you guys everything I got and see and go over a couple little things that you guys probably missed or you guys just wanna know. I'll try to talk about it and put the links down below just in case. Alright, let's get down to business. So the first mod, excuse my mess, the first mod that I did honestly was a shift knot. Now this is just an ABS plastic carbon fiber looking one. Actually I had it on my SE and I decided to take it out and put it on my XSE. Actually my wife did it, so she pretty much got me started on the mods here in this car. Real nice. I mean, there is original carbon fiber one you can look for. I think it's like around $100 maybe. But I mean, like I said before in my video, I'll put the link down below. I believe it's the video where I talk about the corner aprons and the details about the eyelets. As long as it's inside the car, and the sun doesn't hit it, pretty much you'll be okay. Just because from my experience, when I had carbon fiber mirrors outside, the ABS plastic ones like this material, after exactly a year, 11 months, just the sun pretty much burned them. So I mean, inside the car is okay, it'll be okay. I know for a fact excuse me, that they have the centerpiece right here. This centerpiece is the carbon fiber looking one too, the ABS, the stripe here, and I believe for the around here too, the ventilation system as well as over here too, which might look into that. Why not? I know that I got the time. Also for around here, the lights, they also have the carbon fiber ones, the back ones too. It's a little piece that go there on the lights, or you guys can see it right there, also goes there. And yeah, I mean, other than that, I have the trims, obviously, you guys know from my last video, still staying nice. I haven't done the hole for this one, that's why I haven't actually stick it on, just because somebody does need to lock the door. But even without it, just it stays there nice and put, so it's okay. The back doors, of course, back door ones too, same as the other side. And of course the front steering wheel. This one actually I ordered them from Wish. I got him for like $4.99 after 10% that I got because of watching a video and all. So I mean, it took about 2 months to get here because of COVID and all the situation. But I mean, for $5, up to you if you guys think it's worth it. I mean, I wasn't planning of buying them for like, what was it, like $25, $20 on eBay. Got them a Wish, $5. I don't know if they still have them for the same price. I don't know the link. But yeah, I mean, all these little pieces is on Wish. If you guys are willing to wait a month or 2 months, it'll be cheaper than So a lot of people have been asking me about the steering wheel, the cover. As you know, I have the leather black seats. I didn't go for the red ones, but yeah, I mean, one day I just walked into this Toyota in Costa Mesa here by what's it called, by in California, and yeah, I just walked in one day and saw this one and I really liked it. I had like the little carbon fiber designs, which matches my car in the inside, and the black steering wheel. So I like this so far with the sun and everything. I mean, I want to say it's been a year now and it's still looking good. I mean, no issues so far whatsoever, so still looking good. I personally like it. There is a carbon fiber steering wheel for the Camry. I believe it's the original, like the fully on round one, and the one that's 3/4, like a fighting pilot plane, whatever. They do have that too, but I decided to stay with the stock one for now. I like it. Maybe on the road I get that carbon fiber steering wheel one. And of course you can have your spirit animal. No, I'm just playing. It's a gift from my wifey, but yes, you can have the penguin there. No story with that one. Also inside, as you guys know, I'll put the link down below, my beautiful Let's Fit lights. Let me just zoom out right here, which is completely beautiful. Nice and white lights. Awesome. Also, let's see, really good. It's actually stronger than the regular lights here. But yeah, real nice. Look at that beautiful brightness. Then as you guys know, the XCC, because I had a comment asking me if I had aftermarket speakers, or and no, this one's actually stock. This one's actually the full package, so it came with a JBL one. You can see there, JBL ones. So it's stock, JBL there, you can see. So it's a nice speaker, nice booth, I guess you can say. So the music's pretty good. Right from the front of my car, also the second mod that I did from Mike Martin. Big shout out to Hypno Designs. I'll put the link down below, guys. The TE key logo, which I'll put the link down below for my installation video that I do talk about it, because a lot of people ask me if I took the sensor out, if it's a new sensor with that logo. It's actually a decal, an overlay, but I'll put the link down below so you guys can follow up with it. Also, a big shout out to Drape Decals. I'll put the link down below also as well, their IG, so you guys can get this custom front license, which I have my Instagram and YouTube logo. Just when I go to car meets, people know. Looks nice, real nice. It fits on the stock Camry frame, so you guys can talk to him. As you know, the beautiful, the one and only, the round fog lights, custom made by me by putting the yellow ones from eBay and the LED ones, as you guys see inside there. Real nice and beautiful. It light up really good. The custom lip kit, actually, this will be on the details, not just the lip kit, because the lip kit is actually a part. I don't see it as a detail, I see it as a mod, but just because it was wrapped and match paint with the white pro. As you guys see, there's not much difference, but yeah, it was wrapped right here black, and then it was a two-tone, so wrapped, it was all painted and then wrapped. Reason why is when I wanted to paint it half, every shop told me, recommended me not to do that, just because the paint might come off, because it's half. It's just better doing it all in one and then overpaint, which, but at that point I was just like, I might as well just get a wrap. Wrap is cheaper, guys. We're in the 22nd century, so welcome to wrap world. On the eyelids little details, of course, I do have them wrap on the bottom, just put them on. It's still looking pretty well after the first summer. I did added the oh man, what's that called, that paint, like the clear coat, so it stays nice, protected by the sun. I haven't talked about this one. This is actually original carbon fiber mirrors. You can see my reflection there. This is not the ABS plastic ones. You guys can definitely see the difference on my video when I talk about the eyelids. I compare them side by side, and you can actually see the difference. It's a nice touch up, real nice. I mean, this chrome part, once again, it came with the stock XCC full package, but the carbon fiber mirrors just gives it another look, just like the Supra now. Real nice. My SC actually had the brake calipers painted red. I haven't done that here. I'm still figuring out if I change rims or keep him. I don't know if I sell him. A lot of people have been asking about them. I actually sell them. I go another style, but we'll see. Also, my details, I'll be mentioning the side skirt, also two-tone. On the installation video, I'll put the link down below. Actually, they came in, I think it's, I guess you can say matte black, but it's pretty much a not painted one, so it's pretty much ready for paint, same as the custom lip kit. So this one's also a two-tone one, all white pro match paint with a wrap black. Once again, big shout out to my homie from Tintigo. And yeah, gloss black down there, real nice touch up, gives it that two-tone. Also, something that you guys might think it came stock, but it didn't. It's actually is it Midnight, I think it is, shade, or I forgot the style name, but it's the pillars, which once again, big shout out to Tintigo for wrapping the gloss black. Here up the whole thing in black. Also a nice little detail. moving on. Once again, little details. This is the corner apron from Custom Tony. I'll put the link down below in the installation video. Like I mentioned on my video on the installation, I was gonna do something with it, and I did. What I was gonna do, pretty much the black part, because it comes in gloss black. I did this myself. I sanded and then just used a spray can, which I believe it was, oh man, what's the brand? Let me look it up, guys. I'll be right back. So we're back. So it was actually from the brand Dupli Color, D-U-P-L-I Color, C-O-L-O-R. It's actually a spray can, which actually, if you look at it, if you go on eBay or AutoZone, they have pretty much for every brand: Scion, Toyota, Ford, GMC, Chevy, you know, all those. And it pretty much says like white pearl, black shade, you know, pretty much all the, or black sparkle, I think it is, but pretty much all the colors. So pretty much what I looked for, it was Toyota and white pearl. It's not 100% paint match, but I mean, looks good. I mean, I was actually gonna leave I was gonna paint the black part white and leave the white black, but you won't be able to see it. So I was like, I should put the bottom one white so it can stand out a little bit, and yeah, it does, you know, makes it a difference. It's a little detail, you know, paint match. Also, another little detail is, you guys can see this little corner here. I actually pinstripe it black, so when you look at it from far away, it looks just one piece. The TRD Camry does come like that, with the diffuser little is connecting the corner apron, but in this case I just pinstripe it. It looks like one piece, nice and clean, not too much. Diffuser, same thing, paint match it to white pearl, also sanded duplicate color white pearl, nice and touch. And I did use the clear coat on top of it just in case. I did use a base, I believe. You don't need to, I think it does change it up, makes it a little bit more harder, but just with duplicate color should be okay. I wouldn't say it's 100% good, you know. Thank you. So I got my fans watching my YouTube channel, cool. But yeah, the paint match, and then the paint match here too, and yeah, I mean, looks good. Little details, as well as the TRD emblem. I guess once I added an intake, I baptized my car with the TRD emblem because it wasn't a stock XSC Camry anymore, as well as the Camry letters, which I'll put the link down below, guys, so you can see not the installation exactly, but I talk about it, how you know, how you're able to take it out and put them on and everything. The beautiful Tiki emblem that I just love so much, nice black gloss. Big shout out to DC Designs. I'll put the link down below as well. And oh, I'm forgetting also from DC Design, my frame that you guys wanna, you know, you guys want a frame like this or custom made, you know, DC Designs your guy, you know. Paul, you know, the owner, actually made this one for me. It was really nice, real beautiful, you know, as you guys see. My YouTube and IG right here, real beautiful. The subscribe right here. I guess you can add the tips as also as a detail. You know, the stock one comes with 2.0 inches, and I wanted to go 4 inches, so I decided to go for big ones. You know, it's all about the look. Some my little details from the dripped decals. My name on the back. You know, my IG and my YouTube logo too, so people cannot miss it. Real nice touch up. And from details, how can I forget about the Joy Totos? You know, the beautiful organizer. Don't have it empty, cleaning out the car, but yeah, I mean, the beautiful organizer that actually, you know, fits the chargers and everything. Your wallet, your coins, your pen, lighter, wallet, really good. Guys, so I think that's it for details. Hope you guys didn't get bored. I know I'm trying to talk more on my videos, try to, you know, give more info. I think that's pretty much it for details. Yeah. Oh, did I forget the pillows? I sure did, huh? These ones are the Junction Productions. Honestly, like I always say, guys, I'm very transparent. I got them from eBay, 20 bucks I think it was. And yeah, I mean, they look good. You know, black leather, gold. I like, you know, I'm a black and gold guys, but Yeah, it looks good. Looks okay. They're comfy, you know, when you drive and everything. So what I did forget was the beautiful, excuse that, white LED light from last fit to LA. You guys can see it there a little bit, lights up even on daylight. So I think it's pretty much for details in my car. It does look really nice. I mean, the big shout out to, you know, last fit, LED lights. It's just amazing. The trunk looks wow, like you're able to see everything now. That yellow light did not help at all. And yeah, I mean, it seems pretty much for the details. Let's see, what else? I think that's it. Trunk. Yeah, this is pretty much it for details, fam. If you guys are watching this video, I'm pretty sure that once I post this video, my car should, or once I upload this video, my car should be gone. My car is gonna be gone for a couple weeks. I am getting, like I mentioned on my Instagram, I am getting ahead. I got ahead on my videos. So once I post this video, my car should be gone. You know, any update, I'll keep it on my Instagram once I get my car back. My car is going away, or is already gone by the time I upload this. But new mod, I'll be happy to announce it. Be really excited, really blessed to announce the new modification, the new mod, the new blessing, honestly, because I never expected to make this happen, honestly. You know, it's crazy, you know. Like, you know, I always, like I mentioned on my previous video and on Instagram, I'm always posting things like this, you know, giving out messages. But I'm always saying, the more you put in life, the more you're gonna get out of it. You know, like I mentioned before, if you guys have any questions, you know, comment down below. If I don't get back to you, I do apologize. Now with my kid, it's a bit harder, but you guys can always just message me through Instagram. I'm usually on Instagram more often, so you guys can just message me. I'll put my link down below for my IG, and feel free to ask me any questions. So far I've been getting a lot of messages, and I do, you know, I like that, you know, because any questions, you know, I had a message last time about asking me about the fog lights installation, and I was able to, you know, I was able to come out of my car, do a live, you know, chat, and, you know, explain where the cable was going, the firewall, because everybody's so scared, you know, to get the cables through that. Trust me, I seen it. And next time, next car I get, I'm gonna do it just myself, because it's easy, you know. I take it out professional, I see it, I'm right behind them, I see how they do it. Okay, next time I just do it myself, you know, and then I show it to you guys as you guys see the video there. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, family. It does help a lot. You know, I do appreciate all the supporters, all the followers, you know, all the comments, the likes, you know. Appreciate all that. Alright fam, like I always say, it's not just about the car, guys. Just stay sexy out there. Till next time.